Hello and welcome back to Single Mode Lover. If you're new to the channel, my name is Razwal and I post videos every week on how to do easy cocktails that can be done at home. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do the Painkiller. Painkiller is based with dark rum, orange juice, pineapple juice, coconut cream and nutmeg for garnish. So let's get started. Take your shaker, fill it with ice. Add about 30 ml of orange juice and 30 ml of pineapple juice. I have already pre-measured the juice, so it's going to be easy for me. There you go. Add about 30 ml of coconut cream. There you go. Add about 60 ml of dark rum. There you go. And take your shaker. Give it a nice vigorous shake to incorporate the coconut cream. Take your rock glass and just pour it in the glass. There you go. So to complete your drink, you need orange, pineapple and a nutmeg. So take your orange, just put it in the glass, and take your slice of orange and just drop it in the glass like that. And to finish it, take your nutmeg and just give it a nice little grate over it. That's your painkiller. Cheers. That's an interesting cocktail, guys. You got to seriously try this. So anyway, cheers. Thanks for watching. Leave a like if you like the video. Don't forget to drop me a comment below and smash the subscribe button. Anyway, cheers and enjoy. Until then, peace.